In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam Games Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed. Now the first and quickest thing that I suggest you try is simply right click on the game that you're having trouble with, go to Properties, find Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. This will look for any issues with the installation, and then it's gonna fix them. Now if this still doesn't work, there's another thing we can do, and it's right clicking on the game, manage, and then browse local files. In here you should have an Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and in here you should have the setup. Now don't mind the shortcut, we're gonna create one right here. What we wanna do is we wanna click on this, right click, and then create shortcut. On this shortcut you wanna right click, go to Properties, and in the target here you wanna go all the way to the right side so you can use your arrow keys. Once you're at the end you wanna make a space, and then you wanna type install space prod-fn. So after the normal text in here, you want to make a space, install space prod-fn. Click apply and click OK. Then you want to right click on it and run as an administrator. Now once you've done that, you can try and close down Steam and open up Steam again, and it should hopefully work now. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.